The first step is to unpack the packaging. After unpacking the packaging rack, arrange the equipment in sequence. Take out the accessories inside the columns and place them and check. One power unit, one instruction manual. For support arms, one crossbeam, one set of single-side release ropes. For toolboxes, racks. To steel wire ropes, 3 oil pipes, 1 long, 1 middle and 1 short, 1 bag of accessory screws, 1 box of wall plug, 4 pallets. For elevated legs, 1 set of line position switches, and 2 single-side boxes. The accessories are complete. And assembly begins. Install the sleeve first. And after the sleeve is installed, start installing the crossbeam. After the installation of the crossbeam, start installing the limit rod and the limit switch. After threading the steel wire rope, oil pipe and single-side release rope, stand the column up and start to screw wall plug. Install the steel wire rope after the wall plug is installed. Once the single-side release rope is debugged and installed, start installing the single-side shell. After installation, start installing the power unit. After installation, start installing the support arm. Installing the toolbox.